Imagine looking out the horizon and thinking, the earth isn't round, it's flat. It sounds unbelievable, right? But did you know that around 10% of Americans believe the earth is flat? In this video, we are going to dive into why this belief persists. And trust me, the answers are surprising. Stick around because the truth behind the flat earth theory might blow your mind. Let me take you back to a time when I was scrolling through social media and came across a post that said the earth is flat. NASA is lying to us. I thought it was a joke, but when I looked deeper, I found there's an entire community of people who truly believe this. How could this be possible in an era where science is at our fingertips? Now, I know what you are thinking. How could anyone believe this when we have seen the earth from space, studied it for centuries and proven its shape through countless experiments? I had the same question. And you know what? A lot of it comes down to conspiracy theories, distrust in science, and of course, the power of the internet. But let's dig into the real reasons behind this strange belief. Believing the earth is flat isn't new. Centuries ago, people truly thought our planet was a flat disk. But with science and exploration, that belief was debunked. So how has it come back in modern times? Well, a lot of it started in the early 2000s, when forums and social media allowed people with similar views to connect. Suddenly, flat earth became more than a theory, it became a movement. So what drives 10% of Americans to believe the earth is flat, despite all that evidence? Here are three main reasons I discovered. Number one, misinformation on social media. Platforms like YouTube and Facebook have a way of pushing content that reinforces what people already believe, known as the algorithm effect. If someone clicks on a flat earth video, they will keep getting similar content, making them think maybe there's some truth to this. Number two, distrust in government and science. Many flat earthers believe that NASA and the government are hiding the truth from us. It's tied into larger conspiracy theories where people feel they are being lied to by those in power. Number three, confirmation bias. People tend to seek out information that confirms their existing beliefs. So once someone leans toward the flat earth theory, they will find evidence online that supports their views even if it's debunked by science. Now, it's easy to dismiss flat earthers as crazy, but let's take a step back. Many of these people have spent years being skeptical of authority and are genuinely trying to make sense of the world. In their eyes, they are seeking the truth. The problem is they have been led down a path of misinformation, and once you go too far down the rabbit hole, it's hard to come back. So how we do prevent more people from falling into the flat earth trap? Here's what we can all do. Number one, promote scientific literacy. Encourages people to question things, but in a way that leads to real research and facts. It's about teaching how to think critically. Number two, call out misinformation. When you see something misleading online, whether it's about flat earth or anything else, take the time to point out the facts. Number three, have open conversations. Shaming or ridiculing people won't change their minds. Instead, open a dialogue and listen to why they believe what they do. Then present their evidence in a respectful way. It's important to remember that we have known the earth is round for over 2000 years. From Eratosthenes' experiment with shadows to the image from space, the evidence is overwhelming. But despite this, conspiracy theories like flat Earth thrive in the age of misinformation. So what's the big takeaway here? It's not just about proving whether the earth is flat or round. It's about understanding why people believe in things that seem impossible. It shows us how fragile trust in science can be and how powerful the internet is in shaping our beliefs. If you want to fight misinformation, it starts with education, empathy, and open dialogue. If you found this video insightful and want to learn more about how we can tackle misinformation and other fascinating topics, hit that subscribe button and join our community. Don't forget to like this video and share it with someone who loves diving into deep discussions. Let's explore the world and its shape together. Check out these other videos for more on science, conspiracy theories, and the power of critical thinking. See you in the next one.